Meaning of intellectual.
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 Intellectual. The term intellectual generally refers to someone who uses their intellect and reasoning abilities to engage in critical thinking, analysis, and evaluation of ideas and concepts. Intellectuals are often associated with intellectual pursuits such as academia, philosophy, literature, and the arts, and they may use their knowledge and expertise to contribute to societal debates and discussions about issues ranging from politics to culture to the environment. In short, an intellectual is someone who values and prioritizes the pursuit of knowledge and understanding.